Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with two essentials. Confirm Snap Windows is enabled and have the apps open. Open settings quickly, enable Snap if needed, then pick your first app. Drag its title bar to the left or right edge until you see the translucent Snap Guide, or press Win plus left or Win plus right to send it to one side. Once done, the screen will reserve the opposite space. Make sure you leave room for the second app so the layout will balance automatically. Next, fill the other half. Choose one of the suggested apps from the Snap layout, or open another app and drag it into the free zone. You can click the divider between windows and drag to set a custom split ratio. Small adjustments change focus and productivity. Once done, use Alt plus Tab or Task View to swap apps without losing the layout. And make sure notifications don't auto-resize your windows. Turn off focus-stealing apps if they keep disrupting the split. Finish by using Snap layouts for more complex grids. Hover the Maximize button and pick a preset like 2-column, 3-column, or quarter tiles, then assign apps. You can also move splits between virtual desktops with Win plus Control plus left or right. This keeps projects separate. If something goes wrong, toggle Snap settings off and on, restart Explorer, and verify display scaling and multiple monitor arrangements. This fixes the most common issues quickly, so you can
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.